Windows based application is, Windows based application mean is some applications are only developed for the specific operating system. Okay, I can give you guys example for this, that if we can talk about the phones, there are two different operating system in the phones are. One is iOS that you guys seen in the iPhones, and on the Android, on the other side, there is the Android operating system that you guys will find in Samsung, in LG. So some other companies are also using the Android. Okay, so sometimes you feel that somebody are saying that, oh, this application is available on Android, but this is not available on iPhone, or this application is available for iPhone, and but this application is not available on Android. Okay, so what is that? It's mean that that application is specifically developed for that specific system, for that specific operating system. Like if they develop iOS, it's mean that they only develop that application for the iPhones. So in this way, guys, like what is the Windows based application? First of all, Windows based applications are those applications that developed only for Windows operating system, and you guys able to install it. You have to install it on your computer or on your device to use them. The other thing is, either you are connected to the internet or not, you still able to use the Windows based application, because data directly installed on your local computer, all the data, all the things that you guys need to run that application, that is that are inside your computer, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. What are these? You guys don't need any internet to perform that task.